Your channel was not approved for monetization. Click Enable. As you can see that the account status is currently ineligible for monetization. Unfortunately, your channel wasn't approved for monetization. You can reapply to join the YouTube Partner Program in 2080 days on 9 April 2019. Here is why your channel wasn't approved for monetization. Reuse content. In most cases, you cannot re-upload someone else's content unless you get permission first. Remember, it's not enough to credit the content owner or state that no copyright infringements is intended. You can also learn more about copyright and fair use. Here are some types of content that are subject to copyright. Audiovisual works like TV show and movies. Sound recording and musical composition. Visual and written work including painting, posters, articles, and books. Dramatic works such as plays and musicals. Video games and computer software. What is not being accessed? Our aim is to create an environment that's fair for all creators. We are not looking at things like the popularity of your video, how political your channel is, how often you upload video, sexual orientation and gender identity, your engagement with fans, and tips to get your channel approved next time. You can do this. Here are some tips to get your channel approved next time. Review the rules. Make sure your channel complies with the YouTube monetization policy. Keep it real. Avoid uploading content that belongs to someone else and don't pay to increase view count, likes, or subscribers. Reapply when ready. Take your time and make sure everything looks good. This is what I will do to fix reuse content on YouTube. First, click on the video manager, then delete videos that might be reuse content. Here are some videos that I delete to fix reuse content on YouTube. The first video that I delete is Super Mario Galaxy 2. Even though it's not copyright or copy strike, it's better if I delete it because it's from Nintendo. Then the second video that I delete is Donkey Kong. Same as Super Mario Galaxy, even though it's not copyright or copy strike, but it's better to delete it. And the last video I delete was an old video that I uploaded in 2010. which was about Florida school boarding shooting video, and this video exposed to age restricted. Click on the video to see the details of the video, and it shows that to run the video you have to sign in to confirm your age. Click on age restricted to see the details, and there is community guidelines appeal. In accordance with the community guidelines, this video has been age restricted from viewers under the age of 18. The YouTube team will review our original decision and remove the age restriction if appropriate. We will notify you by email of our final decision on your video. Please note that you may only appeal this video once. And this is the third video or the last video I delete to fix serious content. We will see the next what will happen after I delete 3 videos that may be reused content. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. Please click subscribe or you can donate support us. See you.